This is the horse. This is the horse. You got your pre-rodeo snacks?
Yeah.
Yeah. You got a new rodeo show today too, didn't you? And boots. We got the breast bands for riding all the rides. All the rides. All the rides? Are we riding all the rides? See ya! Happy flight! Where you at? You going to enjoy the sunsets?
I had some FUN.
Well, this is our gated campground. We made it. Hey, welcome back to Camping with Corey. Today we are where? In the middle of nowhere. At a private campground that we're staying at for the weekend. What are we guys doing?
Jumping on the hay.
You were what?
Jumping on the hay.
Jumping on the... Yeah? So we got the pool over there under construction, which is super nice to hang out by there. Half the deck's done, but like I said, this is a private campground. You got a little bit of a grain bed, bar, smokehouse, a couple smokers, hang out. Yeah, there's a couple campers over there. And then we're here. Kids like to bail jump. They learned how to jump round bales. But yeah, we're here. Camping with Corey. What are you gonna do? You going inside? Got old Glory out. Oh, hey, beautiful. What you got? What you got in there? 4th of July stuff. Oh, 4th of July accessories. So we got this vegetable tray. It's courtesy of Rachel. Then we got these gummy bears in this USA container. And I don't know what those are. What are these here, Rachel? These stick things. Jolly Rancher, what? Ropes. So delicious. So delicious. And nutritious. Got some smoke roll on the Weber. We're just keeping it simple. Some burgers and some brats before we go head out to the rodeo. With the smoke roll. Roll. And they're doing some 4th of July get up. Are you guys wearing that to the rodeo tonight? What'd they say this was? The 60... What did Loretta say? 67th annual... What? 64 annual Leon, Iowa Rodeo. 4-day event. We've missed the last few years, but we're back. Sharing it with you. Camping with Corey. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Why are those balloons not blowing away?
Because there's necklaces in there. Heavy.
Oh. You and Mom put necklaces in there?
Yeah.
So then they don't blow away. Ingenious idea. Hey, that's my car. I found it. Yeah, finders keepers. Yeah. Finders keepers, losers weepers. What does that mean? What's a weeper?
I don't know.
I know what a weep hole is. What's a weeper? What's a weeper? Rachel, what's a weeper? What? I don't know. Oh yeah, weeping, weeper. Losers, weepers. Losers cry. Yeah, maybe. Boy, we just solved the world's problem with that one. Yo. Ashlyn Jane, what are you doing? You ready for the rodeo? Yeah.
Are we going?
Do you want to go?
Yeah.
Oh, you got your cowboy hat on. You having some pre-rodeo snacks? Yeah. So we're at Long Creek Outfitters, and this is the horse. This is the horse. This is the horse. This is the horse. And we're gonna go in here and get some stuff. Come on in.
Welcome right now to the arena for our 2026 Miss Leon Rodeo. This is Michelle Roswell riding in. Hailcomes to us from Floydsville, Missouri. She's sponsored by Rumbling Farm Photography. She's your brand new queen, Leon. Tell her you appreciate her tonight. He makes his home in Sydney, Iowa, and for over 2 decades, he has made you laugh each and every performance. From Sydney, Iowa, say hello to Sean Boom Boom Thompson. Yes! How you doing, Iowa? Wait a second. It's Friday night. How you really doing, Leon, Iowa? Hey, listen. Are you ready? Tonight they're here in Leon. As our Freedom Riders begin to gather up and ride away, I want you to start thanking them with me. How about Carly Hammaker, Crystal Standage, Riley Binda, Emily Polsdorfer. One-year-old birthday with us tonight. Try. Oh, the long see if we can weather the 8-second storm. Who would it be to see 2 Leon bull riders win money at their hometown rodeo? This weekend was in San Antonio. Stay night number 1, money, big time. This guy does ride really well. Come on, cowboy, tonight, do what you do. Gilman City, the market race on tonight. He knows.
So it's now the 4th of July, which is Saturday, and we're headed over to Osceola for the parade and a little bit of carnival action. The boys are going to ride some rides, so stick with us. I'm headed over to the pie auction, see how many pies we can pick up. Can't go wrong with a pie, yeah? On this 4th of July, definitely not.
Talk about a nice looking pie right there. It is, box and all. Somebody give me a $100 bill. I got 110. 110, 10, 110, 10, 110, 10, 110.
So apple pie just sold for 110 bucks. Jeez.
Oh, here.
I'd probably do that for strawberry rhubarb. Gooseberry pie. We're on this thing. Boys are having a great time. Even Mama went on this one. Oh, Clown Town. Clown Town, Clown Town. Bouncing house slide. We got the breastbands, so we're riding all the rides. All the rides. All the rides? Are we riding all the rides? 43. Preston, how tall are you? 86? Or 67?
50-something.
You're 67? Oh no, that's your age, 6'7". Or no, how old are you? How tall are you? Who's gonna run the gas?
Yeah.
Who's gonna run the brakes? Who's steering? Both of you?
Yeah. Well, if we go one way and different ways, then we'll do a spin out.
You're gonna spin out? Alright.
If I want this way, Graham goes that way, we'll do spin out.
Oh yeah. Car might go in half. One turns one way, one turns the other. You wanna do that one? Yeah, not for Dad. Can't do round, round, upside down. You want to do this one?
That right over there is
Oh, that one is loud and round too. Are you guys ready to go flying? Yeah? It's like Superman. You guys want to be Superman today? Here we go. See ya. Happy flight. This thing goes high, high, high. Hey guys.
Mom, can we go again?
How was it?
Good. I want to go again.
Where's your shoes? You lost your shoes?
Yeah.
Remember what I said about we can never not stop at a blank. Can you guess what it is? DJ. We always have to stop at a DJ when we're camping for some reason. We don't even do it on purpose. It's just like, we need to go to DJ. Let's go check out the sunset. Can't beat it. Off-grid camping. Leon, Iowa. Camping with Corey. Where you going?
What?
You going to enjoy the sunsets? You guys enjoying the sunset? Flights coming alive. A little bit of dinner. One thing that I do miss about this off-grid was no picnic table, right, Preston?
What?
We didn't have a picnic table, did we? So we had to make do with this table we got. It's my cooking table, but we made it work. TV trays. Anybody know what a TV tray is? Remember that? In the 70s? A little bit of fireworks. Boys got some kiddo stuff. I like your glow sticks and your 4th of July shorts. What are these, Whitney? Smoke bombs.
Smoke bombs.
10. Cool.
That's so cool.
Do you want to do one? Yeah.
One.
To the left a little bit. Left a little bit. There you go. Perfect. Don't shoot them at the pool. Not at the hay bales.
Are you counting? Oh, I forgot. This might be the last one.
See, you're holding it too low.
Oh, up.
Okay, see why that's important?
Yeah. Yeah.
Put it down. Yeah.
So we're doing some fireworks. Yeah, what then?
Yeah. Mom, I'm gonna make a star. Ready? Mom, I'm gonna make a circle straight. So that means you make circles and it goes like that
Oh,
way.
yours went out. Happy 4th of July, camping with Corey.
That one.
Put it on the ground. Don't point it.
We got some fireworks off in the distance in this pretty cool sunset. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but we got our Salute to America outdoor flag up. Just hanging out, doing some sparklers and some glow sticks. It was?
I don't know if I want to do this again.
Okay, did you say it was fun?
Yeah.
Do you want to spell fun?
F-U-N. That's how you spell it.
Oh yeah. So let's do it, yeah?
I had some F-U-N. Fun.
More fun then? So we did have lots of fun on this camping trip. So we were off grid. We did have, like I said, power and water. But oh no, we had a great time for the 4th of July weekend. We got to visit some relatives and see some people we haven't seen for a long time. But this was a great trip. As you can tell from the video, we did all sorts of fun things, kid things, family things. But thanks for watching, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe.